In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature to AOL. First, open your web browser on your computer. In the address bar or the search box, type AOL, then press Enter. You should see AOL appear near the top of the search results, usually showing the familiar AOL logo and a short description about email and news. Take a second to confirm you see the official AOL site listed, so you know you are starting from the right place. Once you see the results, click the correct AOL link in the list. This should open the main AOL homepage in a new page or tab. On this page, look toward the upper right corner for the Sign In button. Click Sign In. After you click it, the screen should change to a sign-in page with fields for your account details and the AOL logo at the top. Now provide your email or phone number and password to sign in. Type your AOL email address or phone number in the first box, then click Next if it appears, or move directly to the password field if both boxes are visible together. Carefully enter your password, paying attention to uppercase letters or any symbols, then sign in with the button on that page. If the information is correct, you will be taken into your AOL account. After you are signed in, click Mail. You will usually see the Mail option near the upper right or along the top menu. Clicking Mail opens AOL Mail in a full-screen view with your inbox messages listed in the center and folders like Inbox and Sent on the left side. This is where you read and compose your emails. With your inbox open, look at the very top right of the AOL Mail window and click the Settings gear icon. The gear icon is small, so move your mouse slowly over the top right area until you see it. When you click it, a small menu drops down over your inbox, showing several options. From this menu, click More Settings. The page will change to a full settings screen with a list of sections on the left side. From the left-hand panel, click Writing Email. Once you click that, the main area on the right will switch to options related to composing messages, including your default font and your signature controls. A beginner tip here, any change you make in these settings applies to all future emails from this account. Now locate your email address under the signature heading and click the toggle button to turn it on. You will see it change color or show a check mark when it is active. Right below it, click into the text field and type the signature you want to appear at the bottom of your emails, such as your name, title, or contact details. Use the toolbar just above the field to format the font, apply bold text, or insert links to a website or social profile. AOL Mail saves these changes automatically, so you do not need a separate save button, and your new signature will appear in every new email you compose. You have now added and customized a personal email signature in AOL Mail, ready to appear on all your future messages. If this walkthrough helped you set up your signature, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple email guides like this.